In this video, I'm going to show you some cool tricks with just working with the proportionality of sides. And so I'm not going to take the time in this video to show how each of these triangles is similar to the other. Suffice to say, it would be quite quick just to say this angle at D is equal to this angle at F corresponding. This angle at E is equal to this angle at G corresponding, and A is common. So I would write which triangle with the correct order of letters is similar to which triangle, and then I would always write the ratio of fractions immediately. And then from there you can just fill in the numbers. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to teach you about working with the top, the bottom, or the entire line, and thinking of these three things and putting what you want on top, ironically, is most helpful. So if I see question 1, they ask me to work out to find EG. And so in this triangle here, with the little triangle on top, EG for me is at the bottom. So here's the bottom, here's the top, and this AG would represent the entire. So if I want the bottom, I'm going to put the bottom over the top, should be equal to the other side's bottom over the top. And I'm going to just simplify that first. So that's 2 over 3. And the 48 is going to times up to the top. And so that divided by 3 would be 16 times 2 is 32. And there I've got EG, and that sides in proportion. You'll see this kind of setup whenever you see this little triangle with two parallel lines. Then you know that you can use this method, top, bottom, and the entire. The next question, they say work out BC. Okay, I'm just going to fill in EG that I've got to be safe and as a good discipline and as a good habit to fill in what I've got. If I need BC, for me that represents the entire line, and so in this case I'm going to be doing the entire line over this entire line. Should be the same as, and let's focus here, the entire line. So that would be 80, 120 over the little top there. And when I take that across, I'm going to take the 40 to the top, and that will give me an answer of, that simplifies to just being 100. And so that's how you could work it out. If they ask me for BF, that's, for me, that's on the bottom here. So as an example, I would say BF over maybe this whole side, 60. So bottom over, in my language, the top, would be the same as the bottom on this side over the top. And then you could times that up from there to get your answer. So in these questions, to simplify life, just say bottom, top, or bottom entire, or top entire. But I always like to put what I want on the top, because it just makes it easier when working it out later. If you found that helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.